After multiple quotes, we found that Esteem had the quality and the experience that we actually needed. The house is about 20 years old and we needed to upgrade the bathrooms, plus there was a requirement for an additional shower. We were extremely impressed with Esteem's time frame of delivery and the quality that they finished.
Very effective, very nice. It was very good. As I mentioned, they reduced it actually. It's supposed to be 4 weeks. They finished within 3.5 weeks.
Look, everything went very smoothly. Our supplier did run out of tiles and we did have to get an alternative which matched exactly to what we needed. That was good. Very happy.
Extremely happy.
We've been very impressed with everything they've done. We've even had our neighbours approach us in regards to contacting Esteem and getting them to do some renovations for them.